This video is for you if you're 35 or older and feel like you're 60, lacking energy, feeling unwell all the time, or maybe you're 50 and in the same situation and you realize you have clothes you can no longer wear, which makes you depressed about your appearance, staying home more and eating unhealthy food. You've even noticed you hate getting dressed lately. But your body isn't your enemy. There's an internal mechanism that controls your hunger, your energy, your cravings for sweets, and almost no one understands how it really works. And when you try to lose weight without understanding this, your own body starts fighting against you. Maybe you've already experienced this. You start motivated, you lose a few pounds, then you plateau. You get that overwhelming craving for carbohydrates. The weight comes back, sometimes even more. This isn't a lack of discipline. It's biology. It's your own body. Your body has an internal system that decides whether you'll burn fat or store it all as reserves. And when it understands that you are under threat, it activates survival mode. Thousands of people go through this every day. Restrictive diet, fasting without strategy, overly heavy training, cutting out everything you like. You are not alone. However, you need to suffer to lose weight. The problem isn't effort. It's a lack of understanding of what happens inside your body. But not fighting your body, but rather understanding how it works internally. When you learn to activate the right processes, your body starts working in your favor. Without war, without extreme suffering, without depending solely on willpower. In the next few minutes, you will understand what this internal mechanism is and why it may be sabotaging your weight loss without you realizing it. And when you understand this, your way of seeing weight loss will never be the same again. There is a metabolic engine inside your body that decides one thing every day. Option 1, you will burn fat. Option 2, or you will store fat. If you choose option 2, it will become increasingly difficult to do normal things like going to the market, shopping, and even leaving the house because of the shame you feel about your appearance. You will have to fight daily because you don't have clothes that fit, and this will cause anxiety because you don't have clothes that you feel good enough to wear out. It's an endless cycle of depression and anxiety. Now think about this. If your body is programmed to survive and not to get defined, then any aggressive strategy can activate defense mode. And when defense mode activates, 3 things happen. 1, hunger increases. 2, energy decreases. And 3, fat burning reduces. That's why so many people lose weight at the beginning and then plateau. It's not a lack of effort. It's your metabolism trying to protect you. But here's the important point.
Metabolism isn't fixed. It responds to internal stimuli. When you send the right signals, the body understands it's safe, and when it feels safe, it releases access to stored fat. No internal war, no extreme suffering. The secret isn't eating less and less. The secret is activating the metabolic signals that make your body return to fat-burning mode. It would be great if our bodies could naturally reactivate metabolism and burn fat naturally, even while you sleep. Unfortunately, that won't happen naturally. Metabolism slows down as we age. As we age, our sleep quality decreases, and this has increasingly impacted our health and weight loss. We gain more and more weight. And even if you walk 5 or 10,000 steps a day, do weight training, reduce portions, or cut out sugar and soda, carbohydrates are still hidden everywhere in your body. In the next chapter, I'll show you why some people manage to reactivate their metabolism 100% naturally, without aggressive stimulants, injections, or radical diets. There is a scientifically proven blend of 7 rare botanical ingredients, such as Seville orange peel, Spanish apple cider vinegar, and Himalayan ginger, that helps optimize the body's natural ability to burn fat, even while you sleep. Citrus burn stimulates thermogenesis, forcing the body to expend more calories, which aids in fat burning and weight loss.
Improving metabolic sensitivity allows for rapid switching between burning fat while avoiding fatigue. It stimulates fat oxidation. This is the breakdown of fatty acids to provide energy to the body. And when that happens, the burning process starts happening consistently again. The time has come for you to build your weight loss in a healthy way.
As long as you don't change your metabolism, you'll continue going from diet to diet, watching time pass and nothing working. So click the link in the description and start using it today while it's still available and watch your life change.